than that.
Let me see. I can't really see because it's dark. Okay, where do you...
What?
Yeah, because we want it over the deal.
Yeah,
I don't want it that high, Dylan.
Alright, lower it.
Yeah. Go right there, I think is fine.
That's about 12 and a half.
Yeah.
Alright.
Because it'll be above that, this deal right here. Okay,
and the bottom of that's 13 and a... let's say 13 and a half. Okay. 13 and a half is where the height of the thing needs to be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. We are in the guest room, and what we are doing is we are making another shelf in the closet. It only basically had two, and so we built another shelf on there so that way there'll be a third shelf. Because I store a lot of my decor in this room because I don't really have any place else to do it. I don't want to do it, put it up in the what's called attic because it's going to be too hot. So I need a place that, you know, I can put my decor at. And one day it was like rainy and stuff like that, and I was like, you know what, I would really love to have a shelf. So I went to my husband and I was like, ask him, and I said, because he was kind of bored, and you know, he works like he works from home, but he was kind of bored. And so anyway, I went to him, I said, hey, I said, do you want to have a project to do? And he kind of looked at me, he's like, well, what do you have in mind? And I said, well, it's something for the guest room. And he's like, okay. And I said, well, I'm thinking about building a shelf in the closet. I said, oh, okay. He's like, well, there's some kind of smart box thingy that we can't cover up. And I said, well, if you come upstairs with me, I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's like, okay. So we went upstairs and we looked at it. He's like, oh, yeah, we could definitely build a shelf and everything like that. And I said, well, that would be great if we could. I said, because I need some more, you know, storage space or storage in the closet. So that's what we're, as you can see, that's what we're doing right here, is we're building a shelf. So anyway, that's pretty much in a nutshell. I don't really know what else to say about it. I mean, this video is kind of quick or whatever and all that, but I just wanted to kind of let you guys see what we were doing. Now, I had the camera kind of far away from the closet at first, and then I do move it later on in the video, so that way you can kind of see what we're doing. But anyway, I'm going to see about playing some music for you guys, so that way you can kind of enjoy the music, and a little bit later on, you're going to, as we get that actual shelf built or whatever, you're going to hear us kind of talking again. Oh, and I'm also going to say thank you for watching and stopping by watching my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, do all the things. And anyway, so I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys listen to some music until you'll hear us talking again later at the end of the video. Anyway, thank you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Okay.
Now, moment of truth. Let's get this thing. There we go.
Oh yeah. Exactly what I want.
And then, now we can get the level and see, because it'll reach this way.
Mm-hmm.
See if it is level, but it should be pretty close.
Oh yeah, baby! Oh! That worked!
Oh.
Like, yeah, baby!
Yes, dear. Alright, I feel better now that that's done.
Ah, finally!
And that should be pretty solid.
Yeah!
It's not gonna...
You see, it's gonna give me a little bit more storage room, too. Thank you.
Oh.
Yay!